And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
It was a windy fall day in Colorado, especially this morning and especially in northern Colorado. Our top wind gusts were up to 75 miles per hour in Weld and Larimer counties, up towards Fort Collins, Loveland, Greeley area. And here in southern Colorado, our top wind gust was in Weston, which is in southwestern Los Animas County, up to 69 miles per hour. Ever since the early afternoon, those winds have eased up. So some of our wind gusts currently are generally less than 40 miles per hour. We recently had a gust up to 40 in Salida, and it's in the mountains where we still have some of those gustier winds tonight, but Fort Collins down to 24 miles per hour now, 34 Akron, 22 in Lamar. So those winds are going to continue to ease up tonight. The winds were brought on today by a strong jet streak at the top of the atmosphere, paired with a cold front that shifted our wind out of the north and really caused a surge in our wind in the plains. We didn't feel the effects of the cold front in terms of temperatures yet. Our temperatures today were actually quite mild, and especially this morning, thanks to the downsloping wind effect, we had mild conditions, 44 in Pueblo, 49 in the Springs, and then we rose above average this afternoon. It's tonight that we'll feel the effects of this cold front. So overnight lows, check them out, chilly, 20s and 30s. It's a clear and calmer night with dry air. We are going to lose that heat very quickly, so do prepare for another freeze tonight. We had our first freeze in the plains on Saturday night into Sunday morning. Might have remembered how cold it was to start the day. We'll have another chance of a widespread freeze tonight. So there are some freeze warnings issued this evening because some of us didn't have a deep enough freeze for long enough in these specific zones. So just another warning that if you haven't had that growing season ending freeze, you still have that chance for tonight. On Tuesday afternoon, though, we're going to warm up nicely. Highs will be to the 60s and 70s. We'll have lots of sunshine. Winds will be much lighter, so it should be a nice afternoon. So the jet stream is moving out, so we're going to be calm for a couple of days. Our next storm system approaches from the southwest. It's a relatively mild storm as it approaches from further south of us, but it pulls in plenty of Pacific moisture, and that gives us a chance of showers as we head into the later part of the week. So Thursday afternoon, we'll see some spotty rain here in southeastern Colorado, a mix of rain and snow into the higher elevations. We will likely see some snow showers for our mountaintops here locally. Teller County with a wintry mix on Thursday evening. Some showers, maybe isolated thunderstorms moving through the southeastern plains. Friday starts with plenty of cloud cover, and we'll see some spotty rain showers and some mountain snow early on Friday. So with Thursday in mind, here in Colorado Springs, it should stay as rain. I see that rain snow line around 9,000 feet on Thursday night into Friday morning. So our higher elevations will feel more of a wintry impact. For us, it'll just be kind of a cool day with extra clouds and some spotty rain. In Pueblo, you're seeing mostly upper 60s to low 70s this week. Pleasant conditions the next 2 days, and then a little bit of activity Thursday, Friday. I'm keeping all of us at a storm impact scale 1 out of 5. You don't need to cancel any plans for these showers, but you do need to dress accordingly. In Woodland Park, I'll be watching for potential snow accumulation by Friday morning. Right now, it looks very light.